Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen. I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, then you might be checking out the 12-minute affiliate by Devon Brown. Maybe you landed on this page. It's actually called the easiest system ever, but this is his webinar that links directly into his 12-minute affiliate business. And you might be checking it out and you might be wondering, hey, is this a good business for you to get into? What are you going to learn? How is it set up? How much does it cost? Is there a refund policy? All that stuff. We're going to cover that in today's training today, or today's video. And then you can decide whether or not the 12-minute affiliate program by Devon Brown is for you or not. All right. So again, he's changed the front end. It would look different before. He calls it now the easiest system ever, but this is his 12-minute affiliate program basically. And what it is it's a affiliate marketing training program, right? So it's going to teach you how to become an affiliate, how to sell products on platforms like ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and you can basically sell in mainly 3 different niches. You can either sell in online business, internet marketing, fitness and health, or personal development, depending on what you're trying to do, right? And essentially what it is you're going to go through this automated webinar, okay? And Devon's going to give you some value, then he's going to pitch you at the end, and he's going to give you some options to get into the 12-minute affiliate program. And the 12-minute affiliate program is actually a very detailed video training program that will show you how to become an affiliate. He has his own setup, so that's the cool part, which is quite nice about the program is Devon's got his own technology, so you don't necessarily need to use outside page builders. You can host and create all the pages and templates from his platform itself. He gives you all the emails, which is pretty cool too. So all the pre-written emails, you can set it up. You need an autoresponder, but he's got the emails that will help you to market in one of those 3 specific niches, okay? And then he also basically tells you where to buy traffic. So he's got his own solo ad vendors where you pay some money and they will deliver you traffic in terms of clicks, and they will click on your website and they'll kind of go through your process, and then your email autoresponder will take over and it'll basically email your email database every single day promoting the products that you're trying to promote through either ClickBank, JVZoo, or Warrior Plus, okay? He's also got a community where everybody hangs out. There's a Facebook group, which is cool, because all good products need a community. If they don't have a community, then it's not a good program, to be honest, because you don't really know what's going on. There's no support. There's no hand-holding. There's no community or people talking, backing each other up, things like that. So at least the 12-minute affiliate does have that, which is really cool. Okay, so let's talk about the refund policy, the prices, and all that stuff, and then the pros and cons. Okay, so 60-day refund policy, which is very good because it's on ClickBank. ClickBank generally has a 60-day refund policy, so it's that's a good thing. So if you don't like the program, you can refund within 60 days, right? Which is great because you're protected by ClickBank. There are 2 levels in terms of pricing. You can either get in at $47 per month in the basic program, or you can pay one time $397. The difference between the basic and the gold is that the basic only allows you to sell in the online marketing, make money from home niche, okay? If you want to buy the gold, it's $97 per month or one time of $797, okay? That allows you to sell in all 3 niches. Online business, internet marketing, make money, okay? That's the first niche. Personal development, or health and fitness. I recommend you only choose one niche, to be honest, because if you can't make money in one niche, you're not going to be able to make money in any other niche, okay? So I would focus on one niche first, get to $10,000 US a month, and then you can focus on other niches if you want. So it just depends on what you want. So it's not expensive, honestly. It's actually a very decent price program. There's a lot of done-for-you elements within this program. The training is very good. Obviously you've got the technology where the pages and the templates will really help you to gain that traction. Obviously you got to do the work, you can't be lazy, and that's kind of that's the only other thing I would say about the 12-minute affiliate is that it's pretty hypey, unfortunately, right? So Devon does hype stuff up because he's a marketer, but you have to understand that even though he does have things that will help you to get better results, you still have to do the work. If you're not willing to do the work, you're not going to get results, okay? And so that's the main difference between the people that have had results and the people that haven't had results, right? So lots of pros to this program. The only con that I would say that I can see is that he mainly teaches you how to buy solo ads. And there's a big problem with that because you're not learning to generate your own traffic. And when you don't understand how to generate your own traffic, it can become a problem because solo ads generally are quite expensive and the quality is very low. Okay, you have to understand what a solo ad is. A solo ad is basically a traffic broker that has a lot of emails that they've amassed over a period of time, maybe 1 million, 2 million, whatever, and you basically pay them money to promote your link to their email list. That's all it is. Now, that would be fine if that email provider or that broker, traffic broker, was only selling it to you, but they're obviously not. They're selling it to hundreds and thousands of people. So their email list is being bombarded every single day by hundreds and hundreds of offers. Now, what happens over time is the quality of that email list goes down, okay? Especially if the traffic broker isn't maintaining the quality of their list. And that's why solo ads in general can be a very, very tough way to make money. Now, yes, you can make sales here and there, but in order for you to actually get into profit, that means you spend $500 and you make more than $500 is actually quite rare, okay? So that's my biggest complaint about this particular program is Devon only teaches solo traffic, which is a problem. He doesn't teach you Facebook, he doesn't teach you TikTok, he doesn't teach you banner advertising, display networks, Google search, blogging, influencer networks. So there's a lot of other ways to get traffic, and solo ads is really just one way. And if you don't learn any other way, then you're pretty much screwed, because buying solo ads is very easy, but it's very difficult to profit from, okay? Now, if you can somehow get around that and email aggressively and do well and get into profit, then that's great. Okay, and some people have in his program. So he has a good community, and some people have done quite well in the community, but not everybody does well. That's the thing. All right. So again, it's a sort of give and take thing, right? I think there are a lot of good things about his program, but the one missing element is he doesn't teach you other traffic sources besides solo traffic. And I've spent over $40,000 on solo traffic, and I hate solo traffic because of what I mentioned earlier. Okay, it doesn't mean that you can't be successful with solo traffic. It's that it's very hard to get successful with solo traffic, and most people are not going to spend $40,000 in order to figure out whether solo traffic works for them or not. And that's really the biggest problem. Okay, the other thing as well is if you don't have a budget, then you can't get any traffic, because he only teaches solo traffic, which is a paid ad strategy. Okay, so if you don't have a budget for paid ads, then you can't make this work. That's the other thing that I would say. So some good and bad things about the program. I like the automation. I like the templatized stuff. It helps people to get results quicker. I like the 60-day refund policy. I like that he's got his own system and you don't have to use outside page builders and pay for that extra. I think that's all good for beginners, right? But again, there's a lot of stuff where he's not really teaching you how to market. A lot of the stuff is given to you, which is, again, it's good and bad. It's good if you're a beginner and you want quicker results, but if you want long-term results and you want to get to 30, 40, 50,000 US dollars a month, you're not really going to understand how to do that, because you're not a real marketer. Does that make sense? He's not really teaching you how to market. He's just sort of giving you everything. He's giving you the fish. He's not teaching you how to fish. And that's a bad thing, I think, because the way I finally learned how to make multiple six figures and millions of dollars actually in commissions through affiliate marketing is I learned how to fish. For the first 8 years, I was given the fish and I was making a lot of mistakes because I didn't know what I was doing. You know what I mean? I was just using people's pages and buying solo ads which weren't converting. I wasn't getting into profit. So I would make a sale here and there, but I didn't really know what I was doing. And it doesn't mean that you can't make money that way. You can. But it just depends on your mindset and what you really want to do here. If you want to make short-term money, I think that this system will work for you. But if you want to make big money and really understand what you're doing, this program isn't really teaching you how to do that, because it's just templatizing and giving you everything that you need to make the short-term sale. Okay, again, good and bad depending on what kind of marketer you want to be and what kind of results you want to get. Okay, so that's kind of my review of Devon Brown's easiest system ever and the 12-minute affiliate. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review. If you're here watching this video though and you're looking for a way to make big money with affiliate marketing selling other people's products, I would love to show you how to do that. I've been able to generate over $1 million in commissions specifically through affiliate marketing, but I'm learning how to I'm going to teach you how to actually fish. How do you do it from scratch? How do you do it properly? Really learning the real marketing aspects. If you would like to learn how to do that, I've got a free 6-figure workshop that you can register for. Just click the link in the description box below. And I hope to see you on that workshop. Hope you enjoyed this review today, and speak to you soon.